Organized track depictions in ForeFlight provide a valuable reference for pilots who utilize these track systems. Organized tracks are available on mobile and the web, with ForeFlight's Performance Plus and Business Performance subscription plans. ForeFlight displays 3 different track systems: the North Atlantic Organized Track System, the Pacific Organized Track System, and the Australian Organized Track Structure. Individual tracks are color-coded based on direction. Eastbound tracks are purple, and westbound tracks are green. Zoom in to the start of each track to see labels for the track's name and direction. Each waypoint in the track is also labeled. Tap anywhere on a track to see information about it, including its name, valid times, and notes indicating the sequence of component waypoints and other information. You can add the tracks to your route by adding the sequence of waypoints. Tap/hold on each waypoint to open the Add to Route window, then scroll down and add the waypoint from the top of the nearby list. You can hide the organized tracks either by turning off the aeronautical map or opening the Map Settings menu and tapping Airways to access the Organized Tracks settings switch. Organized tracks are also shown on ForeFlight's web application, where you can mouse over each track to see information about it. You can disable the tracks on the web by opening the layer selector and clicking Map Settings at the top, then opening the Airway settings and turning off organized tracks. Organized tracks in ForeFlight make critical information for oceanic flights easily available in the same app you use for flight planning.